Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Vikings, season 6, episode 11. Before jumping to the reaction part, I know that some of you are gonna do that. Please, just stay with me 1 minute. The time that I need to tell you guys to not say any spoilers on the comments. Please, be respectful with that. Don't tell any spoilers about the rest of the season on the comment, because when I'm gonna post this video, you don't know, I don't know right now, me neither, if I would have watched already or not the entire season, you know, the 10 episodes that they dropped all in once. Right now we are on Monday. I'm gonna post this video on Friday, so I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to watch the 10 episodes just like that. Like, I have a job, I have a life, guys, so I don't know. So please be respectful on the comments. You know me, you know that I'm honest with you, so if you are telling me spoilers, you're not gonna have my reactions when I'm gonna discover that on the show. You know, if you are telling me before it's happening that this person or this person is gonna die, that this is gonna happen or not, I'm gonna discover that reading your comments, and you're gonna have a reaction with me just being like, okay. You don't want that. And you know me, I'm honest, and really my reactions, you can read them on my face just like that, so I cannot lie to you. I don't want to fake my reactions because of that, because of you telling me spoilers. So be responsible, be respectful, and don't tell me any spoilers on the comments. You were a lot to be impatient, you know, for me reacting to this 10 last episodes of the show. This is the 10 last episodes of the show. I'm already sad, you know, that this is the end, but 10 episodes, it's a lot, so I'm not gonna say goodbye to the show right now. I'm gonna keep that for the last one. But yes, a lot of you were impatient, like, you have to watch them, when are you gonna react to them? And even more annoying, some of you were like, react to it? You have to react to it? Like, you are ordering that to me. Guys, you're not ordering me anything. I'm doing what I want, you know, on my channel, but you know me also, I hope, with time. You know that I'm keeping my promises, and when I'm beginning to react to a season, at least, maybe not a show, but a season, I'm finishing the season. I'm not beginning to post something about a show if I'm not finishing at least one season. And guys, I reacted to the entire first half of the season. I reacted to the first trailer and the second trailer. Of course I'm gonna react to the second part of the season. Like, this is the end of this amazing show for which I cried so much, in which I involved my feelings so much. So of course I'm gonna watch it and react to it, but on my terms, you know. Again, if you know me, if you are watching my reaction videos for other shows, you know that when shows are dropping in just one day a lot of episodes, I'm playing fair with the show but also with the viewers. I'm making reaction videos, I'm not streaming away to watch the show, so I'm letting the time, you know, for people to watch the show on their own before beginning to post about it. That's how I'm playing, you know, with my reaction videos. That's how I'm choosing to play fair with that, to let the time to persons to watch the show on their own. That's why I waited like 1 week and a half before beginning to post about this 10 episodes. But yes, a lot of you were impatient, and in particular for this episode, which is weird for me, because, you know, after the trailer, I'm rolling my eyes because some of you told me spoilers on the comments of this trailer. Like, you saw me reacting to it, you saw me making series about what could happen during the second half of this season, and you saw me being wrong about that person coming like that, you know, in the battlefield, being Floki or someone. You were all like, come on, this is Bjorn, we all know that because we saw that in the sneak peek. I'm telling it to you guys in each of my videos, at least in each of my trailers videos, you know, each time I'm not searching for informations about shows. I'm just watching trailers. I'm not watching sneak peeks. I'm not watching trailers for episodes. I'm not searching for any promotional pictures, for informations about the casting, you know, for each episode, for the synopsis, you know, the resume of each episode. I'm not even reading the title of each episode just to avoid spoilers. That's how much I hate spoilers. Little like big ones, you know. I hate spoilers. So you guys, some of you, you know, you were saying that to me to be nice, to give me that information that you knew. But when I put myself a comment on the comment section saying, please be careful, stop saying spoilers, I'm not watching sneak peeks, some of you commented again and again the same information. I got it, it was not Floki, it was Björn. Which is great, because it means that he left his bed. Because, you know, after the trailer, after the first time that I watched the trailer, I was like, that's great. That's really great for my 3 wishes that I have for this season. I want Björn to survive. And like, we saw him alive during the trailer, so I'm like, that's it. He survived. He is alive. But second time that I watched the trailer, I was like, we didn't see him out of his bed. So I was not so happy, you know, about seeing him just alive. The fact that we are seeing him, you know, on his horse on the battlefield, I'm like, perfect! He left his bed. It's giving me up. I don't know why, it's giving me up. Second wish, I want all of the brothers to survive. After watching the trailer for the first time, I'm like, that's okay, they are all alive, we are seeing all of them, and all of them, they have a narrative arc, you know, so they're gonna have all of them a story. That's great. All of Ragnar's sons are gonna be alive. Second time that I'm watching the trailer, we are seeing Ube confronted to that ocean monster thing. Is it a dream? Is it an hallucination? Maybe, you know, we are not used to have mystic creatures like that in Vikings. We had mystic moments, but creatures like that, I don't know. So I'm like, I want all of the brothers to survive, not just Björn. And Ube, you are giving me bad feelings, you know, because he said also something during the trailer, like, if we have to die, we have to die, you know, something like that. Like, no, boy, you are not saying something like that during the trailer. You can't say stuff like that. So I'm worried for Ube. And for my third wish, I want Floki back. Please, can we have that? Floki, you need to be back. We're missing you. I miss this character so much. This is, you know, the only character of the old generation that can come back. Like, I'm not expecting for Rollo to come back on screen, or maybe just a little eye, you know, something like that. But Floki, he needs to come back. You know my rule. I didn't see him dying, you know, I didn't see his body dead. So if I don't see the person who is supposed to be dead, really dead, like eyes closed and body cold, that person is not dead. So for me, Floki is not dead. So I want to see him. That's my third wish. See, I have these 3 wishes. I had this series during the trailer, and based on that, people are telling me that they are really waiting for me to react to this episode, which is weird, because based on my thoughts and theories about the trailer, I can't see why my reactions to the first episode of this second half of the season could be interesting, because for me, if something big or bad is happening, it's gonna be at the end. Like, we're not gonna have the battle between the brothers right now. We're not gonna have Ube against the creatures and maybe dying during this episode. We're not gonna have Floki back during this episode. So I can't see it. And we saw, you know, Björn being on his bed and alive during the trailer. So if they showed us that, it means that if he has to die, I hope that he's not gonna die, but if he has to die, it's not gonna be until the battle, which is gonna happen, I don't know, episode 17 or really at the end of the season. I'm afraid of what can happen. So, because I'm afraid, I prepared tissues, 2 normally I'm preparing just one. Right there I prepared 2 tissues and I prepared my entire afternoon just because of the fact that I don't know I don't know what is gonna happen, so I don't know how I'm gonna react. I don't know also how many times I'm gonna need for the review to talk with you, because guys, when you are complaining about having, you know, a 15 minutes review, I'm cutting at least the half of it. In fact, I'm talking like that and like that during 30 minutes. So I need to take time to make this review, and after that I need time, you know, to... So yes, I'm afraid of this episode because just because of the fact that this trailer at first was good and after that was not so good for my 3 wishes, and also because you guys told me that this episode was important and I was not prepared for it. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if I should be prepared for something big, sad, or exciting, like Floki being back. Because for my 3 wishes, one of the brothers are gonna die, or Floki is gonna come back. But it's the episode 11, the first episode of the second part. No one is gonna die during this first episode. So Floki has to come back, maybe, and we're gonna see him, you know, at the end of the episode, and that's gonna leave me really excited, and because of that we're gonna see the consequences, you know, of his return during the second half of the season. Maybe it can be more something like that. I'm trying to reassure myself. I think that it's pretty obvious that I'm trying to reassure myself, because this is the final episode of this wonderful show that I loved so much, and I loved these characters so much, I love this family so much, and I was also such a mess when Ragnar died. We were not there when I discovered that on my own. I didn't film my reaction to that, but you were there when Lagertha died, and you saw how much I cried and the mess that I was. I'm stressed about what they can do with this final season. We know that these writers, they can really kill anyone just like that, and I said it, you know, during the review of the trailer. I'm almost like, someone has to die, I'm pretty sure of it. Maybe they're all gonna die, we're gonna see all of them dying little by little, you know, getting older because of new battles. Maybe they're gonna present us that, you know, the end of each of their lives. It means only one thing for me. If they are doing that, if they are killing more than one of them, I want to see them reunited in Valhalla with Lagertha and Ragnar. I can cry just to say that. If they are killing more than one character, they have to be reunited in Valhalla. The thing that they are saying since the beginning of this show is the fact that they are doing all of that, they are brave like that, they are fighting like that, just to be sure to be reunited in Valhalla. So we have to see that reunion. I want to see all of them joining their father. That's it, I'm crying and the episode is not even... Oh, you know, I'm not even watching the first episode. I'm really not prepared for this episode, I have the impression. Whatever is happening during it, something big, something sad, or something exciting, obviously I'm not ready for it. I'm making myself crying just by talking about what I want for this show. I'm tired of myself. Okay, I'm gonna begin this episode. I have to. I'm gonna put a warning about the spoilers just right there during some minutes for the ones of you who are not watching the intro. And that's it. See, that's how much I'm stressed. You know, I began this channel with Vikings videos. I'm glad that you are there with me for the final episodes, that I'm not watching them all over. Are you ready for this episode? I know that I'm not, but are you? Were you the first time that you watched it on your own? I already need a tissue.
Last season, I'm Vikings, our country scene.
If you were not there during the intro, no spoilers. You don't know if I finished this season already, and I already used the tissue. You had to be there. Björn didn't die, Björn didn't die, Björn didn't die. We already know that. It was a symbolic stuff, and we saw him during the trailer. He was alive, so shut up, recap. I missed this music. What now? Who? Ah! He didn't die, he didn't die, he didn't die. We saw him during the trailer, talking, moving. He didn't die. Shut up.
I cannot be completely sure that you understand.
He's not.
It's impossible to kill Baron. I saw him getting carried off the battlefield with my own eyes.
Thank you! This opening scene made me doubt. I don't know why.
When do we leave for Kazimierz?
Never.
As soon as we have repaired our ship.
It's great. It's giving us time.
My heart. This is King Olaf. This is King Harold, King of all of Norway. It's son of Ragnar. Well, do you remember me?
You're also a son of Ragnar. Yes,
I'm Ragnar's son.
maybe.
I'm the Boneless.
Baby Iva. Far away.
The name is legendary. The question is,
You really want to stay alive.
I have no intention of being useful to you. To us, death is bliss. And I rush to believe.
I respect that.
What about you? Oh, I'm not in a rush.
I'm not surprised by that. I swear we saw him on his horse and all, so he's gonna survive. I don't like. It's like now honoring them. Stop honoring him, he's not dead. Stop!
This will be here soon. We should begin our preparations to sail west. I've made a recent habit of confession.
Are you gonna confess that you're a snake?
I've told everyone that will listen that I want to be king of Iceland. I can see that this Icelandic settlement will grow. Now, I won't sacrifice my ambitions, but they can wait.
I'm so not ready to trust him.
Let the settlers choose among themselves who will go with.
You fucking snake! I know I can't trust you. Oh, pet. He's not gonna die. He survived to so many things and worse than that. Stop honoring him and saying goodbye to him or stuff like that. Stop. Oh. We need a sorcerer, a shaman. And if he has to die, it's not gonna be during the first episode.
I have decided to spare your life. King Harold.
You're a complicated man.
The bad news is your life is over. King Olaf. You came without a kingdom.
I'm feeling cold, I'm feeling sad, and this is not even the 10 first minutes of the episode.
You lucky bastard. I know. Ingrid. Why are you being so pathetic? It's not just fair.
I'm sorry.
King Harold raped me. You and I will die here alongside your husband.
What?
And if you fight well and bravely enough, we shall meet again afterwards.
He's not gonna die, you're not gonna kill yourself.
Bring him luck and fortune. Go to sleep.
None of you is gonna die.
Don't be afraid.
Are you afraid, Gunnhild?
come beside me.
I didn't love you, Olaf, but I respected you.
He says, he who believes in me, though he may die, he shall live, shall walk beside you. Always. Always.
This is you that we saw burning? It's the boy who is...
Don't be afraid. Come, think of me as already dead. Nothing more can hurt me.
Ivar was the one who encouraged him.
I'm sorry. Lions are remote. But I am ripe for heaven.
No one is gonna stop. I mean, last time that we had a scene like that, someone stopped the scene right there. Yes, Olaf is gonna die. He's dying with honor, encouraging the boy, and with his face. You killed someone who is believing into the same God than you.
How did King Harold escape?
He did? Is it good for us? I mean, you know, for Vikings against Russians, is it good for us?
Inga, Frodi, I'm so happy you've made the decision to come. You're true Vikings. I believe in the All-Father, the Father of all gods. I believe that your God he recognizes the All-Father. Christ reaches out and prays to the Holy Father, All-Father.
Kobe, I love you so much. I love all of the brothers so much, that's killing me.
King Haakon, I'm glad and thankful we had to see you at such a time.
Oh yeah?
Message reached me. Were you summoned by son of Ragnar Lothbrok? Did you come? I heard news of the Rustek who cannot defend Kattegat.
Not unless more of Norway's rulers answer his summons.
He's not dead! Stop acting like he is. Yes, you will. You're gonna be on that house, you're gonna be better.
We need you. We need you to live, to lead us. Your name alone is worth 100 warriors. To leave us.
He's not! I swear he's not! This is gonna be the big and exciting thing of this episode. Bjorn getting better and out of his bed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my intro.
Just as you've always said, all of the power over you, even though you are the heir to the whole Rus Empire.
You're really trying to enter into this kid's head. Tell me that this is because of your good art, Ivar.
But sometimes we have to help it to shit.
But how?
We will make common cause with our friend Tyr. We will have the forces sufficient enough to overthrow Prince Ulrich. If the conditions are right.
You really trust the
Only
kid
if we have people that we
to
can
tell him
trust.
stuff like that. See, he's getting better. He's not as pale and he knows stuff.
I feel I will not live to see our child.
Of course you will.
We'll never be able to make amends for all my mistakes now.
What
All
mistakes?
the wrongs I've done, all the hurt I forgot.
I forgot everything.
I wish with all my heart I could go back and start again.
You have loved and been
Stop saying goodbye, stop
You
this.
said the judgment of the gods.
No! Stop encouraging him to die.
My heart is breaking.
Why are we saying goodbye to
What are you hiding?
to him. It's the episode 11. He's not gonna die right there.